Welcome back. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Today we are continuing our lesson on using the comma in a series. Before watching this video, I strongly recommend that you watch part 1 of using the comma in a series. When all items in a series are connected by conjunctions, no commas are necessary. No commas are necessary when items in a series are connected by conjunctions. The conjunctions are for, and, nor, but, or, and yet. The initial letter of each word spell the word fanboy. This will help you in remembering the conjunctions. Let us look at an example of when not to use the comma in a series. Langston Hughes' poetry is insightful and expressive and powerful. This sentence contains a number of descriptive words, or what we call adjectives. There are a series of adjectives in this sentence, and they are insightful, expressive, and powerful. Langston Hughes' poetry is insightful and expressive and powerful. Since we have and connecting each of the items in the series, we do not need to use the commas. Let us read the same sentence with the commas instead of the conjunction. Langston Hughes' poetry is insightful, expressive, and powerful. We always keep the conjunction that comes before the final item in the series. Remember, when words in a series are connected by conjunctions, we do not need to use the commas. Let's look at this example. You won't want the orange or the green or the red. You won't want the orange or the green or the red. The conjunction or is used in place of the comma. Where we have the conjunction or is where we would put the comma. Now let's read it without the conjunction and place the comma instead. You won't want the orange, the green, or the red. We still keep the last conjunction or just before the last item in the series. Also, nouns that are used in pairs to express one idea are usually considered single units and should not be separated by commas. For example, pen and ink. We do not use a comma between pen and ink. Neither between spaghetti and meatballs, nor thunder and lightning. However, if such pairs appear with other nouns or groups of nouns in a series, they must be set off from the other items in the series with commas. Let us look at this sentence as an example. I like oil and vinegar, salt and pepper, and croutons on my salad. We do not place a comma between oil and vinegar because it is considered as a single unit, and the same goes for salt and pepper. We do, however, place a comma after each unit. For instance, after oil and vinegar, we have a comma, and then after salt and pepper, we have another comma. Let us look at one final example. Swimming and diving pools, football and baseball fields, and tennis and volleyball courts can be found in the park. Note once more how the commas are placed after each unit. For instance, after swimming and diving pools, and also after football and baseball fields. Thank you for watching, and join us again for more English with Sassy Sam. Remember to like, share, and subscribe.